Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make your text move in CapCut. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our project on our CapCut. And once we are now on the project, all we have to do is to click this text right here. And then let's click this default text. And then what we're going to do is to make this text move. So let's put this example. So this will be the example of our text. And then let's change the color to color black. And as you can see right there, we now have the text. And let's say, for example, that we want to enlarge the text from small to big. So what we're going to do here is to use the keyframe, which is located here on the right screen. So you will see this diamond shapes right there. So these are the keyframes that we are going to use. So all we have to do is to click this keyframe, and you will see that we have now created a keyframe from the beginning. And then let's go to the end, and then let's make this text big like that. And then as you can see, we now also have added a chroma key on the end. So if we play the video right here, and as you can see right there, we now have made a moving text on CapCut. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.